Imagine walking through an ancient forest, sunlight dappling the ground, the air thick with the scent of earth and leaves. You come upon a massive oak, its trunk impossibly wide, and notice a small wooden door almost hidden in the bark. This is not just fantasy. It's the start of a journey into human ingenuity and our bond with nature. The idea of living within a tree speaks to our primal desire for shelter, for a haven cradled by the forest itself. Here we don't impose on the landscape. We become part of it. This is the story of turning a hollow tree into a secret, luxurious pod. A bedroom hidden from the world, where you sleep surrounded by the gentle life of the forest. The process begins not with tools, but with quiet observation and respect for what already exists. The builder listens to the tree, working with its natural form, aiming to create a dwelling that feels as if it's always been there. It's a delicate dance between ambition and the wisdom of the forest. We'll follow the transformation from choosing the perfect tree to the final exquisite details inside. The hollow, often seen as decay, becomes the heart of this unique home. In nature, what seems imperfect can become the source of the greatest beauty. Let's begin this fascinating exploration. The dream of a hidden home is about to become reality. The first and most crucial step is selecting the right tree. The builder seeks a giant, oak, redwood or sycamore, alive, healthy and with a strong root system. A thorough inspection checks for disease, decay or weakness. Only a fundamentally sound tree will do. The hollow must be large enough for a room, but the trunk's living wood must remain thick and strong. Location matters. Stable ground, sheltered from wind, away from erosion or flooding. The builder isn't just choosing a tree, but a partner in creation. This careful process ensures the home will be safe and lasting. The result? A sanctuary held securely by a living giant. The journey continues with the perfect tree as our foundation. With the tree chosen, work begins inside the hollow. The floor is cleared of soil, rotted wood and leaves, revealing the true base. The ground is levelled and compacted for stability. A heavy-duty plastic vapour barrier is laid to keep moisture out. Over this, a layer of gravel provides drainage and insulation. Each step ensures the space stays dry, clean and comfortable. The foundation is now secure, ready for transformation. This patient groundwork is essential for everything that follows. The hollow is no longer just empty space. It's the beginning of a hidden sanctuary. With the ground prepared, the real building can begin. The secret room is taking shape from the ground up. Now the floor framework is built with pressure-treated lumber, cut to fit snugly inside the hollow. Joists are laid in a grid, resting on the gravel and carefully levelled. Rigid foam insulation is fitted between the joists, creating a thermal barrier. Sheets of sturdy plywood form the subfloor, sealed and fastened securely. Every detail ensures the floor is strong, stable, and insulated from the earth. The builder stands on a solid wooden platform, suspended above the forest floor. This base is the launch pad for the rest of the hidden home. Precision here means comfort and durability for years to come. The transformation from hollow to home is well underway. The next step, shaping the space within. The foundation is set, the sanctuary rises. The secret room is ready for its next phase. With the floor in place, attention turns to the tree's interior walls. The builder sculpts the space, smoothing bumps and carving flat areas for furniture, while preserving the tree's natural character. Careful sanding removes splinters and reveals the wood's hidden beauty. Several coats of clear sealant protect the wood and bring out its rich grain. The once dark hollow now gleams, transformed into a polished wooden sanctuary. Every curve and contour is respected, blending function with nature. The space feels both ancient and new, safe and inviting. The interior is now ready for the comforts of home. The heart of the tree becomes a true living space. Even in a tree, some structure is needed for comfort and function. Minimal partition walls create zones without losing the open, organic feel. Custom shelves and furniture follow the tree's curves, maximizing space and blending seamlessly with the wood. Natural materials like cedar and pine add warmth and contrast. Soft finishes and clever storage make the room feel spacious and inviting. A built-in bed, cosy chair, and thoughtful details turn the hollow into a luxurious retreat. Every element is designed for comfort and utility. The result, a masterclass in small-space living, hidden in the heart of the forest. Modern comforts are hidden within this ancient tree. Electricity arrives via a buried insulated cable entering through a sealed opening. Wiring is protected, outlets and gentle lighting installed for warmth and convenience. A small water line brings running water to a custom sink. A drain pipe leads grey water safely away. Utilities are discreet, preserving the tree's health and the forest's peace. The presence of light, warmth and water transforms the space into a true home. Every system is designed for safety and minimal impact. The hidden room is now self-contained and remarkably comfortable. Nature and technology coexist in perfect balance. The entrance is the only clue to the secret within. The opening follows the tree's natural lines, camouflaged with bark and moss. The custom door blends seamlessly, almost invisible from the outside. Natural materials and hidden hardware preserve the illusion. Weather stripping keeps out the elements, while a gnarled branch serves as a handle. Opening the door reveals a warm, glowing sanctuary. A magical transition from wild to welcoming. The entrance is more than a door. It's the threshold to another world. The secret is safe, hidden in plain sight. What began as a hollow is now a testament to creativity and respect for nature. Every step, from tree selection to hidden utilities, honors the forest. The result feels discovered, not built, a sanctuary for quiet reflection. Modern comforts enhance, not detract from the connection to the living tree. This project blurs the line between home and habitat. An ordinary hollow becomes an extraordinary living pod, a beacon of warmth and light. It's a beautiful example of living within nature, in true harmony.